I wasn't believing, oh wow. I can't wait to go out and speak with individuals in social environments, since when I did go out to social environments, I wouldn't that feel that good about myself. I would be doubting myself around the cool crowd, fretting about what everybody else was thinking, wondering if I was fitting in and questioning that girls would me. I do not wish to interact socially throughout the day, every day, because I'm a thinker and like to have more of a balance in my life. The huge difference in between how I was previously and how I am now is that when I am in a social environment, I am confident and actually do take pleasure in fraternizing people. In the case of women, many ladies feel intense tourist attraction for me and wish they might be my girlfriend or at least be sexed by me. When I am not in a social environment, I rarely need it or crave it like an extrovert does. Rather, I have more of a balanced life with my work, the modern guy, my girlfriend, my pals, household, exercise, time to unwind and think, and other essential parts of my life. These days, I would be considered more of an extrovert by many people who fulfill me, because many people aren't as positive as me, but the fact is that I'm neither an introvert or extrovert. I choose to have a balance of both sides of that state of being. I don't need to be alone and I don't need to be around people. I just do whatever I want, day in, day out, since I have the confidence and emotional security to be pleased, forward-moving and driven in either situation. Opportunity encounters with women. If you're a shy man, you do not need to alter your core personality and end up being a full-on extrovert to be successful with females. However, you do require to end up being more confident, more masculine, and enhance your social skills and social intelligence. Why? Doing so makes you a really attractive choice to ladies, so when you do have an opportunity encounter with a lady, Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.